I have got so many strawberries at the moment. I had to do something really nice with them, something really sweet to cure those sugar cravings. So I made my low carb keto strawberry fat bombs. So these are the perfect sweet high fat treat. Loaded with fresh strawberries, cream cheese, and some stevia just to add a little bit of sweetness. These are so easy to make and they will keep in the fridge for up to a month, making it so easy just to go and grab one whenever you want. So I've got these delicious strawberries that I have an abundance of at the moment, so I wanted to use a big batch of them. And all I'm gonna do is just cut them in half and half again, place them in a bowl, and then I'm gonna sprinkle over some stevia. Now I have been using stevia for years. It's my favorite alternative. I'm not getting paid to say that, but it's my favorite alternative to sugar. I think it hasn't got that real sort of bitter after sweet taste that some of these artificial sweeteners do, but this sweetener is absolutely all natural. And very similar to when you put a little bit of sugar over some strawberries and they just release all their juices and they just plump up a little bit. The stevia acts the same way with the strawberries. It just gets all those juices flowing and just takes on a little bit of that sweetness. So I sprinkle some of that over the top of the strawberries. So just give it a good mix around, give it the 5-knuckle shuffle, get everything combined really, really well, and then just set them aside. Now, the cream cheese, Philly cream cheese, I've softened it, it's at room temp. I just open the packet and I just slice it up because it makes it a little bit easier in the food processor when I do whiz all this up. If you just put in the block, it tends to get a bit lumpy, and I don't want that. I want it well combined. So just cut them up, and then into a food processor, I'm gonna be placing in the strawberries and the cream cheese. And this is the great thing about these fat bombs. You know, these contain around 90% fat. They're easy to make, and you can do them in various flavors too. You don't have to do strawberry like I'm doing. Any low sugar fruit that is keto or low carb friendly. So we're talking watermelon, peaches, honeydew. You can even make avocado ones as well. Any of these flavors are gonna go so well with the cream cheese. So place it in the food processor, give it a whiz, get everything combined, but don't take it too far. I do like little segments of strawberry that you can see, and you'll see that the cream cheese takes on that beautiful strawberry color. It goes like this light rose pink. And then all you have to do is place them into some molds. Now, you can use any type of mold, big, small, or indifferent. It's completely up to you. I'm just using sort of like these medium-sized ones, but it's just so easy just to go and grab one and you feel really, really full afterwards. So just place it in and then just give it a tap. Make sure all those air bubbles are out of there, and then pop it in the freezer overnight or for a few hours to set. When I cut this one open, I probably hadn't left it as long as I could have, so it wouldn't really get that creamy texture to it, but you can sort of see the inside. It is so, so good, and the flavor is amazing. These really pack a punch. They fill you up, believe me. If you're after that sugar craving and you're just going, I need something just to fill me up, this absolutely knocks it out of the park, let me tell you. So if you want the recipe, grab it. In the description below, links to my website. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it around with your family and friends, and I'll see you real soon for another recipe.